In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload a project inside of GitHub. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to github.com. Once you're inside of the dashboard, it should look something like this. Now from here, it's time to create a repository, and to do that, you'll simply need to go over to this plus icon called Create New, and then from here you can click New Repository right here. As you can see, you can also import repository, but this is not how you upload a project. From here, simply click New Repository, and then from here you'll need to select the owner and give the repository a name. So let's just call it test3. From here, you can also add a description. You can add the choose visibility. You can add a readme file, and you should always turn this on. You can add a Github if you want to do that, and you can add a license. From here, you'll simply need to click Create Repository. Once from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the coding tab. From here, as you can see, you'll see the readme file that we just created. From here, you'll simply need to go up to right beside the search here. You'll see Add File. From here, you can either create a new file or you can upload files directly from your computer. And if you want to upload a project, this is the specific one you'll need to use. You can use this however many times you want, and everything will be stored right here for you to click. From here, you'll simply need to click Upload File, and then from here you can drag the files and drop them into the repository, or choose your files directly from your library by clicking here. From here, you'll also be able to commit changes, where you can add file via post, and you can give them a title and a name, and then click Commit Changes. Once you've done that, it will go automatically out in the code section and will be visible right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!